Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in St. Ann in the Richmond area, and we are going to give you a drone tour of the Paradisiac Beach Club. Now that's the beach club on the right, a very nice development. Outside of the Richmond Estate and some of the complexes in Draxall, this is the nicest complex on the north coast. It's a massive development. What we're looking at is just phase one. Thousands of homes are going to be built over here. Very nice modern homes. I mean, perfect for Airbnb rentals or a weekend home. Very nicely done. Now, when we say this is a massive development, it's going to have two or three beaches when they're finished. That's how massive it is. This is just phase one. You can see some houses being built, and over here they have subdivided the land, but they haven't started construction yet. Alright, so we're just going to give you some info on this development. The aim of Paradisiac Beach Club is to achieve excellence and exceed expectations in all aspects. The beach club was conceptualized to fill a demand for luxury boutique residences that exudes pristine quality in an air of perfection. The beach club is being developed by an established company located in St. Ann, Jamaica, known as Manukai Developments Company Limited. Manukai has been involved in a number of developments across the island, mainly in St. Ann. They were involved in developments such as Great Pond Estate, Manukai Oaks, and most recently Pyramid Point. Paradisiac Beach Club has been in creative thoughts of the planners and developers for a period of sufficient time that they believe this development will provide you with the comfort, peace, and freedom we all need. Paradisiac will be located just across from prominent development Richmond Estate. Paradisiac Beach Club was first only a thought that became a dream, then as time passed it has become a reality. The owner and CEO of the company wanted to live in a luxury beachfront property in a community formulated to provide the ultimate level of convenience and comfort. Every homeowner will have access to beaches, pools, and our various clubhouses, with convenience stores, an array of restaurants, and a variety of parks and public areas present on location. You may not feel the need to leave home unless completely necessary. Paradisiac Beach Club will provide the ultimate feeling of paradise in this multi-diverse land of beauty. Very nice development. I'm very impressed. This is the kind of progress you like to see happening in Jamaica. And now Richmond set a standard. Richmond Estate showed people how you must build a development. Draxall used that model and took it to another level. They have thousands of homes in Draxall based on the Richmond model. And now this development is taking the Richmond model and the Draxall model and taking it to another level. This is what you call luxury. Now you're going to have different units. You're going to have 2 bedrooms. You're going to have villas. It's a variety of units. We'll get into the different kind of units in another video. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.